Hello, a little update about how to spot wheel spin in sport devices software on the dyno, and also the importance of trying to get the most of your dyno session. In this case, it is my Husqvarna VR250. It's bored and stroked to 280 cc, and I've tuned it to bigger carburetor, V-force reeds, and E85 fuel, modified Schlechten pipe, and modified silencer, ported of course. I've done all things to it. But this is two pulls. The red one is with a knobby tire, and the blue one, for some reason, it made a dip right here. I think I pulled the throttle too fast, and the pipe wasn't warm or something, whatever. It doesn't do this in the real world. And you can see this is more shaped like a curve, how it should be. And why does it produce more power with knobby tire over here? I got one speculation of that. It is you got a lot of wheel spin right here, and the software is calculating it wrong actually, because it lets the engine to rev up quite hard. And let's see, if I'm adding dyno roller RPM over here, I get some curves. You can see, let's see, check this first. I almost at the same speed, difference only 5 kilometers an hour. I pull it up to in the pulse, and let's see what did I take away, and the torque. I leave the torque out because it becomes such a messy screen. Yes, this was the one. However, I can add roller. You can see a straight acceleration of the roller, slight, it's a acceleration of the roller. But when spotting wheel spin, you need to see the difference between the crank RPM and the rear wheel RPM, roller RPM. You won't be able to see, if you haven't got the third sensor, you won't be able to see if it's clutch or rear wheel spin, but it shows you it is slip somewhere. I take away the horsepower now, no, engine power, and show you roller or engine RPM. Boom. You can see the blue curve. I had some slight, they should be following each other. Had some slight wheel spin. This occurs always at max torque and in that region. It torques the most at that point, so you got the most slip. And the red curve compared to the RPM from the roller, you can see the RPM is just skyrocketing away and became erratic because it's not a clean pull. And somewhere here it tries to grab again, but it slips, and no good at all. So bringing back the horsepower curve, there you can see now it becomes a lot of messy things, but you can see the power is down on the red curve, way down from the blue curve. This is due to the slip you got right here. Where the slip is gone, almost where in the area where it's gone, it's the same power, almost. A very slight difference. This is a throttle blip when coasting down, and the red one and the blue one is me giving it some fuel so it won't seize. And this is the importance of having worked with taking away the slip, because it won't give you any satisfying numbers with bad tires on the roller. And this is an ultimate example, because it's red is knobby tire and blue is a street tire. And disregard from this dip in the blue one. I never made any more pulls, because I was happy as it dynoed 50 to the wheel, 60.5 to the crank, and the bike runs hard. I'm happy. I won't kill it on the dyno, I'll kill it in the woods instead. So that was just a little small update about dyno session on bikes. It's very important to try to get the most of the traction you can get. You can also use spray glue. It works quite beautiful, but not with a knobby tire, of course. It's yeah, that will talk for itself. So I'll catch you later, guys. Bye.